name is Adesua. So this is a miraculous testimony. I was in Lutz and I was diagnosed with fibroid, multiple fibroid, and I had 27 cuts in me. So, but Lutz told me that they cannot perform the surgery because I have heart enlargement.
An enlarged heart.
Yes.
Okay.
And I have asthma, so they cannot continue the fibroid. So I went to my prayer department. I told them, they prayed with me, and they came to my house. They encouraged me.
That's the prayer department here at Harvest.
Yes.
Which of the campuses do you attend? Lekki campus.
Wow.
Hallelujah.
Yes. So they encouraged me and told me that I should not disturb myself. We prayed together that I should go to do the test. They encouraged me. They gave me some money that I should do the test.
Then what happened?
Yes.
Yes.
So at the end of the day, the test was okay. It was normal. The cardiologist told me that my echo and ECG test was okay, that I don't have any heart enlargement.
Hallelujah.
So before then, Pastor Bolaji, that Monday when I was going to the lab, Pastor Bolaji prophesied, said there's somebody here.
During NLP.
That there's somebody here, you're going for tests, you will go and come back, they will find nothing.
Hallelujah.
So at the end of the day, I went and came back, there was nothing. So look, the cardiology was so surprised because their results said I had heart enlargement and the surgery was cancelled because of that. So I went to another hospital after some months. I did the surgery. I had 27 cords. Everything was normal. Throughout the surgery, there was no bleeding. There was nothing. I'm strong and healthy.
Somebody say, our God is a healer. God bless you.